It's been confirmed the S23 series is arriving early February this year. And as we get towards the Samsung Unpacked event happening in San Francisco on the February 1st, we pretty much have every info on the S23 series. Without wasting much time, here's all you need to know. In leaked pictures, the S23 and S23 Plus feature a redesigned camera bump with isolated lenses, which matches the design language found in the S22 Ultra. All three phones are expected to feature the same high-end display, AMOLED screens running 120Hz, while the S23 and S23 Plus are said to be getting the battery-saving low refresh rate mode previously found only on the Ultras. The S23 Ultra isn't going to have a massive improvement all round, but there's an area where things could blow our minds, and that's the camera department. According to leaks and a teaser video from Samsung, it makes it quite clear we might be getting a 200 megapixel main camera for the S23 Ultra, and is supposedly damn good at night photography. This camera will apparently be capable of 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 12.5 megapixel photos, giving the users the ability to pick whether they want more detail or brightness or color in their shots. It remains to be seen whether it's going to use the HP1 or HP3 sensor the company already produces, or a variant built specifically for this phone. Other highlights of the Ultra device is the all-new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC in all models. The Ultra sports cameras like the 12 megapixel ultra wide, the 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, and the 10 megapixel 10x zoom camera. The phone could sport a 12 megapixel front-facing camera instead of the 40 megapixel from the previous generation, but this isn't any downgrade in any form, as the sensors have been tweaked well to perform brilliantly with the new models. It's likely to be a 6.4-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of around 3008 by 1440 with peak brightness of up to 2100 as reviewed by Ice Universe, blowing competitors like the iPhone 14 Pro Max into the wind. The display and the sides may be flatter too, which may please users who don't like tapping or writing on curved screens. For all appearances, the S23 Ultra could have some slightly more squared edges than the S22 Ultra, but it looks like Samsung will largely keep the tried and true Galaxy Note-like design. RAM would range from 8 to 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, and the storage options would start from 128 gig to a terabyte of storage. Recent Federal Communications Commission certifications show that the base S23 will have a 3900 mAh battery, while the S23 Plus will get a battery boost of 4700 mAh. A Korean website has leaked images of the S23 Ultra in black, green, light pink and whitish color. It even mentions the marketing names of the colors to be Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Misty Lilac and Botanic Green, something a more recent leak also backs up. So a source says that the S23 Ultra will start at $1,200 plus, which is actually a step up from the S22 Ultra's price last year, roughly a 5% increase. So there you have it. Everything so far on the S23 series. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be back when I find something new.